Hello! Today I bring to you the review of the Nikon D3000. This is my very first upgrade to a DSLR camera. Compared to the other cameras that I've had, this is absolutely the best camera that I ever had. Hence, DSLR. The others were not. The others was only point and shoot. This is way better, obviously, than those. I bought this off from a friend a while ago, or not too long ago, for $150. Can't beat that. Cannot beat that at all. When you turn, actually, let's get into the features of the camera right quickly. This right here, I am sorry, I am doing this with one hand, so please bear with me. This is where your SD card goes into, right there. I do apologize, it is dirty. This is well used, as you can tell. I use this constantly for my photos, my photography business is what I'm trying to say. I use this all the time. I cannot get enough of this camera. Here are the feature functions of the camera. I have it on amateur. You got your speed. You got your priority, your guide, your auto, the flash, you got your portrait, mountain, baby, sports. You got all kinds of awesome features with this camera. Here is the flash. Not much to it. You can add a bigger flash to this right here. There's a D3000 logo right there. Right here is your V out and your USB ports, where they go right there. Okay, let's talk about the lens that this camera comes with. This is your basic lens that comes with your camera, that comes with the Nikon D3000. It is the 18 to 55 millimeter lens. Nothing spectacular, nothing like oh wow or anything. It is an VR AFS Niker. Looks like 3.6, 5.6S. If I said that correctly. Your basic lens. When you turn it on, and this is how you turn it on. You turn it on just like this, or with this button right here. This is obviously the shutter button. Let's get down to the basics of this camera. Let's go to guide. Sorry about the flash. I know that's bright. Yeah, that's good. That's not too bad. Here are the features of this camera. To shoot, you got your easy operation, you got your advanced operation, you got your timers and remote control with that. Back, view and delete. You can, there you go, focus. You can view single photos, view multiple photos, choose a date. Choose a date, view a slideshow, delete photos. With that feature right there, and with this set up, You got your image quantity, size quantity, advanced D-lighting, playback folder, print set, DPOF. You got their format memory card, LCD brightness, info background color, auto info display, video mode, time zone and date, language, auto off timers, beep, and date in print. With that, let's go to menu. In the menu, sorry about the glare, you got reset shooting options, set picture control, image quality, image size, white balance, and this is how you adjust your white balance. Hit OK. You got your ISO sensitivity settings, active D-lighting, color space, noise reduction, focus, release mode, focus mode. That's what my camera needs to do right now. AF area mode, AF assistance, or no, assist. Yeah. You got all these amazing features right here. Mirroring, built-in flash. Man, you got the goods on this thing. You got the goods on this camera. Big time. Like I said, I was intimidated when I first got this camera. I kid you not. I was really intimidated because I was just used to the point and shoot cameras. This, you got to think. You got to think big time. And I mean, I'm used to it now, but when I first started using this, boy, I was nervous. Very, very nervous. I mean to tell you, this camera is awesome. It is amazing. Here's why. Breathtaking digital SLR image quantity and easy operation highlight the 10.2 megapixel D3000, Nikon's friendliest DSLR ever, compact and capable. The D3000 is compatible with a broad range of world-famous Nikon lenses and includes the versatile 3x 18 to 55 mm zoom Nikon with silent wave motor autofocusing and Nikon VR image stabilization to combat picture blur caused by camera shake for sharper handheld pictures. Special moments are captured faithfully up to 3 times per second and displayed on a bright 3-inch LCD monitor. The D3000 split-second shutter response eliminates the annoyance of shutter lag. To further specify picture taking in special situations such as portraits, sports, landscapes, and more. The D3000 features icon identification sense modes to deliver beautiful results automatically in otherwise complex situations. The Nikon D3000. Absolutely incredible.